I got a headache.
Wait,
Stop it now.
ew, that's a nasty face. You can barely see it, man. I can see. Well, I don't know why. God, this is not good for like 10-year-olds.
It is. It is that good.
Are you filming still?
You can do like deer and headlights too. Throw it. You're gonna be like. Hey guys.
No kidding.
I
don't really have anything else to do.
either.
Want me to do my pop lock and drop it?
Do it.
My moisture off style?
Do it.
Get that thing up, mommy, make it roll.
Oh, I messed up.
Go again.
No, I can't.
You have to.
Drop it. Pop, lock it, and drop it. Damn, I just spit on myself.
Alright, stop it.